All right, and welcome to the floor day on this Saturday. We are just in here prepping the floors, sweeping them up. I got CD with me, and we're just moving all the stuff out of the kitchen. We decided to put the floor completely under the cabinets and everything so that it all matched and wouldn't cause us a lot of work. So, hi, family YouTubers! We got Mikey down here.
Yo.
We got CD down here. Yeah. We're doing floors today. We've cleared out the kitchen. We've decided to put the flooring under the cabinets. Not a big deal. Thank you, Randall. And we got our cutting station up here. We got the underlayment there. We got the apartment cleaned up for the most part. Look who we have, ladies and gentlemen. Hey. It's Randall.
I saw stuff going on. I thought I'd stop by.
Yeah. Welcome. Just like Mr. Rogers. Come on in.
Yeah.
We got the brothers in here. This is my other brother from another mother. So far, it's the in-laws. Okay, so at this point, we're just putting the foam floor underlayment down before you put your floating floors down. This just helps keeps the sound. If you don't put this down, then you'll hear every step that walking through. So we did the kitchen and the living room first, and then we had another team, Steve and Caleb and Mikey. They all ran the foam in the rest of the house while Randall got this thing started. And as you can tell here, we usually just take about 5 boxes. Working on the second level there. Oh yeah. Alright, we got CD in here scraping the floors. So he did in here already. And then in the bathroom. Amazing. Yeah. Like I said, we take about 5 boxes and don't use the same board continually through the row. Just split in between each box, kind of breaks up the pattern, and that way you don't have the same pattern going down. I learned this from Randall and Mike and CD this weekend. I'm not a floor guy. I've never been a floor guy. We just thrown carpet down and did real hardwood flooring when I was younger. So this stuff is still new to me. I'm really grateful that I have Randall and CD and Mike and everybody else that has experience with this. And it's also hard for me to get on my knees and stay on my knees for a while. So I was really grateful. I really didn't see the impact in my back or my knees this time. But yeah, so it's just really important that every cut, every row has a different pattern. You never put the cracks in the same row. So as you can tell here in the video, Randall's breaking those up and using this amazing cut tool that'll be in the description below. So yeah, we usually cut the boards when I was on some jobs that use this kind of flooring, but this snip tool that Mike had made short work of matching these ends up and these special cuts that they were doing. So but yeah, just like I said, prepping the floor is very important so you don't have bumps and you don't have to stop what you're doing in the middle and scrape the floor up. But CD had that under control. Also, when you're doing the drywalling and painting, it's really important to just pay attention to the messes you make and clean those up right away so the floor doesn't adhere to the floor. But it is, like a big puzzle, and these guys really know what they're doing. I think they've all done several houses themselves, and it looks really good. They're getting it really up against the wall. I know my walls aren't straight, so they're having to deal with that. But for the most part, I don't think it was completely curved or threw them really off. So, but as you can tell, once they get the special cuts done, they just flow through the room, and I know this isn't super speed, but they did a really good job. But the kitchen and living room came together. It took the longest time just due to the fact that it is the biggest room in the apartment, and there are a bunch of special cuts. You really can't have 10 or 15 people doing this at a time, because once you commit to the direction you're going, you just go that direction. So I wanted the apartment to flow in one pattern. So did the guys, and as you can tell in later video, we decided to do the bedrooms at the last minute. So that used up a lot of the flooring that me and Laura previously bought a year and a half ago. So we decided to see how much we could use in one day. And I can't tell you the precision these guys were using putting this floor down, and the expertise really blew me away. So but yeah, CD's here working into the storage room. Even went around the door jamb there and made a special cut, which you'll see here in just a second. So thanks for watching. Continue to watch.
Oh, you know what good is that tool my friend Jay has?
Well, we have a Dremel too.
It started to burn. The bit was not a wood bit.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
We do have an ace.
Yeah, 30% markup.
They were freaking
We're at one roller was $10. Uh-oh, here we go. Ninja skills. Look at that ninja.
a little bit of scarring.
I'll take it. Good job, CD. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I gotta burn some film here, and then I gotta go dump it. And then we got Randall over here in his customization. All right. Yep. Bang, bang, bang. Grease is in, my friend. Good job, man. Oh yeah. Look at this. Amazing. So yeah, this is the biggest room out of the whole apartment. So it's taking the longest, but even with their little skills here, look how tight they're getting it. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. How was your fit? How was your fit? Yeah.
Where's the knife? You have the knife?
And the knife in your pocket. Okay, so we're trying to get this piece. Not all my handiwork was square, so and these guys put up with it. So nice. Oh my. Look at that. Now we married the 2 rooms. Oh, just a little bit more. That's awesome. Yeah, Caleb's got a JLB. So he's doing some summer work, so that's cool. And then I got these plugs to look a little more normal. So, ooh, we like Mike on his hands and knees.
Ken is used to seeing this particular.
That's right.
Okay. On the knees.
Mike is our most viewed relative on YouTube.
You get it there and all it's up.
Steve is second with this major air box up here. And you know what I did now, Steve? We actually did a low profile box.
Yeah.
Not a, usually they have like a big gap.
Yeah.
Not us. Not this guy.
No way, we do professional work here. I do an amateur version of it, but it's still professional work.
Well, Laura comes down yesterday, my wife, and says, you know, the LED I have up in there? She's like, oh yeah, the picture I bought for that may not fit there, they may hit people's heads. And I'm like, that LED's staying.
Good thing we did a low profile box then, eh?
That's right. Alright, starting in the storage room. Uh-oh, got a crooked wall. My bad. Are you just gonna cut it? Well, this happens, people. And I always show my mistakes, but look at that. And then, you know, crooked wall. That's how crooked it is. So they're gonna have to cut that off. Storage area, well, looks like we've already got most of it. So, super awesome. And then we're gonna have a threshold here going into the unfinished. All right, we're back again. Just making our way into the storage room. CD is finishing up the living room and Randall's working into the storage room. But do you see the break there? It's really important that you have those staggered, so you don't have, you know, one straight seam going the width of the room. It's just really good, and it interlocks them in a lot better, and it just really looks good. And especially the pattern that we chose, if it was one color, you'd really see the seam. But since we have a pattern of 3 or 4 different type of woods, and it looks, you know, like we did that on purpose, it's really camouflage. So these guys, like I said, CD and Randall and Mike just got it, just working really hard to pay attention to detail, which is something I don't do. I'm just going to put that out there. I'm a bulk worker, I'm working on my details and my finishes and stuff like that, but it really takes special patience and some fortitude. So, but again, I can't say enough how impressed I am with these guys and how much more respect I have for people who actually do this for a living. It's I'm sure it gets easier as you do it, but these guys are amazing. All right, and then we've got this room halfway done. We got to go pick up more material. We ran out of floor. We weren't planning on doing the bedrooms in this, but we just went ahead with it. So anyway, we'll copy more of that when, or we'll see what happens when we get more floor down. But I can't tell you, the brother-in-laws did an amazing job. Got flooring all in the flex room, got it going into the little room. We got this, the laundry room and the closet good to go. We're fixing this little wall damage, but that's what you have. All right, so yeah, we decided to do the bedrooms and we had to run and get some material. So thanks for watching.